In news from Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan authorities have taken steps to investigate a possible oil leak from the sinking MV Express Pearl ship that caught fire on May 20th, anchored off its west coast. Suspicions of an oil leak have been raised after a foreign news channel citing satellite images reported that there was a suspected oil patch around the ship. However, Coast Conservation Minister Nalaka Godaheva denied such reports.
Sri Lanka on Thursday announced an investigation into possible oil slick resulting from the submergence of a container ship MV Express Pearl. The investigation is focused on an oil patch of about 0.35 square kilometer located off the island nation's western coast where container ship is submerged. According to Colombo Page, suspicions of an oil leak have been raised after Sky News, citing satellite images, reported that there was a suspected oil patch around the ship. Coast Conservation Minister Nalaka Godaheva said local experts were asked to examine an oil patch of about 0.35 square kilometers where MV Express Pearl ran aground earlier this month. Godaheva said 5 vessels, including 2 Indian Coast Guard ships, equipped to deal with oil spills were anchored around the sinking vessel, but none reported a leakage from the submerged wreck. The express feeders, operators of the container ship Express Pearl, confirmed on Thursday that the situation on scene remains under observation with no signs of debris and no confirmed reports of fuel oil pollution as of 1800 hours Sri Lanka local time. Earlier, Minister of Environment Mahinda Amaravira, while addressing a media briefing on Thursday, said the Criminal Investigation Department has already commenced investigations in this regard as instructed by the President, adding the damage to the environment caused by the burning of container ship will last for another 20 years. Tons of microplastic granules from the ship swamped an 80-kilometer stretch of beach, declared off limits for residents. Fishing in the area has been banned. Experts in the field have warned that it would be a huge maritime environmental disaster if oil leaks from the container ship.